Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the DuroMax 4400 watt gas powered portable generator. The actual model number is XP4400E to be more specific. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. Just kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention too real quick that I actually found a pretty good deal on this generator, and I'll put a link to that in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in getting one for yourself. So I was looking for a generator and I kind of got turned on to the DuroMax ones because a lot of people were saying they were good and really good for the money. That's what kind of caught my eye. You kind of notice the price of these things compared to like the Bosch generators and that. They're like literally half the price. And they got really good reviews. People were saying they were really good, blah blah blah. Anyway, long story short, I would completely agree with those. I really like this generator a lot. I think it's for the money the best one out there. I was surprised how well built and how well made the machine was itself. I didn't expect it to be as good, but I was pleasantly surprised that you can get such a good quality generator for the money. So anyway, this is a 4400 starting watt generator and it has 3500 running watts. Basically what that means is it can peak at 4400 watts, but it can maintain at about 3500 watts. Now that's a lot of wattage. This can do refrigerators, home air conditioners, high amperage power tools, whatever you're going to throw at it, basically it's going to use, unless you're using it in some high commercial volume. You might need a little bit bigger than that, but for 99% of the population out there, for campers, RVs, small mobile homes, whatever, this will work. Couple things I really like about this. One, very easy to use. The controls, the layouts, everything is on the side of it is very simple, very straightforward. Just easy to use. You don't need even really manuals using this thing. It's just very intuitive. Second, the motor is very quiet on it, surprisingly quiet actually. I've used other generators in the past that are much louder than this, which is nice if you're going to take it like in a public setting, like a camper or something like that. You don't want to keep everybody up using your generator. This is nice and quiet for that. The other thing I like is about this thing is the motor it uses. It's a very well made motor. It starts up on the first pull every time. It doesn't even take that much effort. The thing just runs like a top, which is nice. It does come with a nice on wheels, and it's rollable. There's these 2 little handles that flip out from the side, and you can roll it, which makes it a lot easier than carrying it because this thing is pretty heavy. It just makes it all the more easy to get it around, which is nice. Comes with a built-in surge protector as well, so you don't have to worry about plugging anything into it that you worry about damaging it or anything like that. It will protect against any kind of surges. And last, and kind of another important thing, is it's very fuel efficient. This thing just like sips fuel, which is really nice because it just saves you more money. You'd have to fill it up a lot less. They've really kind of come a long way with the fuel efficiency on these things. Yeah. Really happy with it. Highly recommended. Like I said, for the money, it's the best one out there in terms of value for the price that I've found. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for me. If you have any questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.